Use a compressible foam or rubber gasket specifically sized for flexible floors to maintain a reliable seal as the house shifts. For flexible floors, choose a gasket made from closed-cell foam or neoprene rubber because these materials compress and rebound without absorbing moisture. Measure the gap between the wax ring flange and the finished floor, and select a gasket thickness that allows 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch of compression under the toilet flange to maintain constant contact during movement. Install a flange extender kit when the flange sits below the finished floor so the gasket and toilet flange align concentrically. Tighten bolts gradually in a diagonal pattern to avoid distorting the gasket. Consider a flexible adhesive ring that bonds to both the flange and the toilet base for additional resistance to lateral movement, but leave enough working time to seat and adjust the toilet. Always dry fit the gasket and toilet, then mark positions and verify the bolts and flange absorb expected movement without breaking the seal. Finally, use a moderate bead of compatible bathroom sealant around the toilet base after seating only if local code permits, and the gasket manufacturer recommends it. Common mistakes include using a traditional hard wax ring that cracks when the floor flexes, which will lead to leaks, so switch to foam or rubber gaskets designed for movement. Another issue is failing to raise a low flange, which causes insufficient compression and a poor seal. Fix this by installing a flange extender kit matched to the new finished floor height. A third problem is over-tightening bolts, which crushes compressible gaskets and warps the toilet. Avoid this by tightening bolts gradually and checking compression evenly as you go. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners connect with local contractors and contractors find jobs that fit their skills. We also host an active discussion community where members share installation tips, product experiences, and photos so we can all learn from real projects.